Welcome to this, the final program in this series, in which you are going to learn about commonly used striking tools. A hammer, of one type or another, is often required for work such as chiseling, center punching, hollow punching, and for assembly work. A typical hammer is this bull-pin type, which has a cast steel head fitted onto a wooden handle. The head is kept firmly onto the handle with metal wedges that expand the wooden shaft against the tapered hole within the head. Bull-pin hammers can be obtained in various head weights, from around 1 kilogram down to around 170 grams. Heavier hammers usually appear in this club head form and are used for heavy work, usually in the construction industry. Soft hammers or mallets are designed to strike items that would otherwise be damaged with steel hammers. Popular soft hammers are made in plastic or nylon and rubber. After the pause, you will learn the necessary techniques and safety aspects concerning hammers and hammering.